Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another Amazon haul to share with you, and it is my dies. Yes, finally they made it. Okay, so I'll tell you a real quick story. These two Amazon dies came in first. This is from the KS Craft Store through Amazon. These two came in first. This one, you're going to see what these are in a minute, but this is from the KS store also, KS Craft Store. Nope, take it back. It's not. It's a different store, but it was on Amazon right next to the KS Craft Store. So this is also from the KS Craft Store. And this is the ugly sweater that Christian had shared with all of us. I ordered it before she even went live to tell everybody about it, because she told me through Instagram, through direct message. So I went right away and ordered it. Why everybody got their die before me? I'm about to have a cow. And then Amazon sent me a message saying, well, if your die doesn't come by next week, come back to this link and get a full refund. I'm like, girl, you better not be playing with me. You better give me my die. But anyway, this is the ugly sweater die. Finally came in, and I love all the little ornaments that you could put on the sweater. This one's a little collar that we could add to the sweater. Here's the other sweater. So this is two different sweaters, and this one looks like it could be a shaker because it has the outline on there. I might be wrong, but you know, I'm not the die professional. And then this one has sweaters and cuffs, and then the waistband, or here's the waistband, here's the neck, and those are the cuffs. But anyway, you have this option, you have the little diamond option, and then you also have these little ornaments that can go also on the sweaters. Very cute. And I'm thinking my Mickey Mouse would be perfect on these sweaters. And they are. Oh my gosh, this is what the girls made with me today. We made the little cup that came from Nurse Tara's shop, and so yeah, I'm excited to get busy with this die. And thank goodness it came in today, because it was getting on my last nerves. And this one is the roller skate. I'm going to save that other die for last, but this one's the roller skate. So this is a roller skate. It doesn't have layers like some of the other ladies had another layer, or it might have been the ice skate, and they turned it into a shaker. So I don't know. I'm going to experiment with this too. There's the wheels and the little extra circles for the laces, and then you have some different lightning bolts. Oh, this is going to be super cute. Okay. And then the next one I got was the standing mixer. This is so cute, guys. This is supposed to be a shaker. So you see the outline right here? It shows you could use it to make a shaker. So I'm excited for that. And here's the bowl that sits on top of this. Super excited. And then this is the miniature version. It has everything the same as the large one. So you have two sizes in one die set. And I'm still missing another die set. But this is another set that I've been waiting for. I don't remember who I saw sharing this, but this is the Bat and Spider bow set. Also, for Halloween. So perfect. So here's the spider's body, and then there's the spider. And then you have two different bow styles that you can build on top of the web and the bat wings. And here's another bat style, different style. So very cute. I'm so happy now. I'm just so happy. I guess this is to go around the center of your bow, but I don't really use that. So there's that. What also comes with this kit is a witch's hat, and there's her little buckle for her hat, and then this is the witch's boot. So that is also So very cute. You can add these, I think, to the shoe for her sock or whatever. And that's the cuff. I'm thinking that's the cuff. I gotta look at the website again, but it's all on Amazon. I think they said they're gonna restock this. Was it this or the ugly sweater? I think it was the ugly sweater. But anyway, I am super happy that it all came in, and I want to get busy playing with these because we're almost into Disney in September, and I want to get ready. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.